Who are we? How do we all get along? How do we find hope, meaning, and purpose? Ready to go on a value journey to discover the true beauty and unifying power within us? The world stayed home together. 15 Unifying Values Every Parent Should Teach Their Kids by Kelly Thornhill. Dear family of Earth, 2020 taught us we can't always control life, but each of us can do our part. Look after loved ones, smile through hard times together, evolve into better humans. Ready to discover more contagious but great things each of us can choose to control the spread of? Read on and be one. Kelly Thornhill. Our DNA scientifically proves we all belong to one another as one big family of Earth, but it is our humanity that brings us together. The year started off just like any other when suddenly life quickly changed. Schools, churches, and stores began closing and sports seasons ended. It was like everything was on pause. All around the world, we were told to do what was best for everyone, everywhere, and stay safe at home. Each of us sacrificed our daily freedoms, and many gave up money to protect each other from getting sick. While most people stayed home, some had jobs that helped us remain comfortable, fed, and learning. Others tirelessly cared for all who got sick. We grew more grateful for each person that served us. The hearts and minds of people all over the world came together in love, creating the biggest act of global unity the world has ever known. Our humanity remembered. We belong to one another, and we all need each other. We learned every single one of us needs to do their part to make a difference together. Part 1, Humanity, Unity, and Our Beauty Within. What does humanity mean? Humanity, the bond of sharing that connects all humans, belonging together, our collective identity, the core of human values with their quality being humane goodness. In South Africa, the word humanity is Ubuntu. It means all of humanity is invisibly bound together in ways that make us one. The only way to have success is sharing ourselves with others and caring for one another like they are part of ourselves. We are all in this together. Humanity's bond of sharing includes every single one of us. Bond. Synonyms: promise, pledge, oath, word, tie, link, connection, union. It seems we have it in our very nature to remember, help, and be true to one another. Humanity is the we in all of us, and the we inside each of us. We see ourselves in each other. It is an inner sense of goodness that brings out the best in us. We see the needs of others and do our part to help. Our we over me choices help make us beautiful, our bond stronger, and the world a better place. When this bond between us is strong, we thrive in unity. Our humanity draws us together by helping us feel included, cared for, happy, healthy, and safe. Our unity increases harmony, charity, ability, longevity, prosperity, and liberty. What does unity mean? Unity, thriving together, a civilized state of being joined to one whole with mutual caring, peace, justice, and progress, oneness of heart, mind, and purpose. Though we cannot think alike, may we not love alike, may we not be of one heart, though we are not of one opinion, without all doubt we may. John Wesley. To be one does not mean everyone should be the same, or have the same opinions. How boring would that be? To be one mind is to see one another as human, with valuable differences, but mostly the same as ourselves. When we value oneness over individual success, we get both. Like musicians in an orchestra or different players on one team, problems like pandemics are only resolved all together. To be one remembers we all are one family with the common goal of being better together. We need one another. To be one heart, sometimes said one love, refers to universal love and respect from all people for all people. No one is excluded. To be unified with one heart means treating everyone like they belong. What does inner beauty mean? Inner beauty builds lasting bonds between people, made of attributes of peace and love within all people to grow, attractive and admired character traits, cannot fade with age, choices that bring happiness to others, reduces suffering and violence, benevolence. Our shared bond of humanity flows between all of us and starts inside each of us. 2020 reminded mankind to first take time to stop. Rest, reflect, reconnect, and change from the inside out to sprout new wings. We were born with everything we need inside us to take mankind to a better place. Our beauty comes out by doing what we came here for. We grow our beauty within by letting it out. Our inner beauty is more attractive, grows stronger, glows brighter, and lasts longer than any physical appearance. It is made of love and peace and leads us to each other. What does love mean? Love, the power or energy of unselfish attention that attracts and connects us together. Love is the heart of being human. Love starts within. Our unkind thoughts make us droop, but love nurtures us with kindness. Whatever we focus our attention on, our love for that magnifies. That is why we grow to love the people we serve. Love is a powerful magnetic-like energy within us that attracts caring attention between us. Love leads us to joy by turning us inside out, thinking about ourselves less and others more. Love remembers we belong to each other and is the glue that holds us together. What does peace mean? Peace, to join or bind together that which has been separated, harmony from joining into a whole, relieving suffering from the broken or divided. Pieces are not what peace is, but to piece together is. Peace starts with unity within. If what we think, say, and do not all agree, we feel weak and broken inside. Peace knows what is needed to make us feel whole again. Peace actively works to make coming together possible, even when it is not easy. Peace is understanding fairness and friendship. The more love we add, the more peace we have. Peace remembers everyone belongs and does what it takes to help us be one again. Generously spreading peace and love everywhere we go is a wonderfully messy way to live. We just can't do it without getting it all over ourselves. Part 2, meet peace and love and their children. The World Stayed Home Together. Now available on Amazon and Barnes & Noble. Part 2 of The World Stayed Home Together introduces 15 unifying human values. Here's a sneak peek.